Alright, this is just to give you a quick heads up on the final exam. So, real quick. Final exam. You'll read two news stories that you have not read before, and you're going to have multiple choice questions at the end of each story. These multiple choice questions will ask you to pick out events from the text, they'll ask you to make inferences, they ask you to determine meanings of words that were in the story. So while you're reading, you need to keep track of that. The words I'm going to ask you about are underlined in the story, so they should be very easy to spot. Some more general questions will be on the exam that are not over the readings. They'll be about how to do SQ3R, what text structures are in the 5 different kinds of text structures, questions about nouns and verbs, questions about memoirs, and there's, I think, one question about 2-column notes. So those are some things you can study for. You can look over notes and the other things we've done this trimester. The third part of the exam will be to write an essay. And by essay, I should say short essay, because it only needs to be one good paragraph. And by a good paragraph, I mean 6 or 7 sentences minimum. Because it's a 6-point answer, I believe. So each sentence should have a good point that I can give you credit for. On Wednesday, both stories that we're going to be reading will be posted to our class website, so you can read them in advance if you choose to. That might be good for some of you who maybe struggle with focusing in class, or if you want to just be able to read on your own, there it is. If you miss Thursday or Friday, which are the 2 days we're taking the exam, or if you need more time, you'll be sent to Mr. Ski's room to finish. If you do that, you're going to have homework for what you missed during class. So, final exam, Thursday, Friday this week. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me or email me, and that's 20% of your grade. So it's definitely something you want to do an absolutely fantastic job on.